Rule 132, Presentation of Evidence. Section 1, Examination are to be done in the open court. Examination of a witness. Witness present in a trial or hearing shall be done in an open court, and under oath or affirmation unless the witness is incapability to speak or question called for a different mode of a answer. The answer of the witness shall be given orally. Section 2 is proceeding to be record. The entry proceeding of a trial or hearing includes the questions propounded to witness and his or her answer thereto, and the statement made by the judge or any party, counsel, witness, or witness with reference to the case shall be recorded by the means of shorthand or stenotype by the means of records found suitable by the court. Section 3 is rights and obligation of a witness. Rights must answered although he or she answered may tend to establish a claim against him or her. However, it is the right to witness. One is protect from irrelevant, improper, or insulting question, and from harsh or insulting demand. 2 is not to be obtained longer but that the interest of justice is required. 3 is not to be examined except only for the matter pertinent to issue. 4 is not to give an answer which will threats to subject him or her penalty from an offense unless otherwise provided by the law. 5 is not to give an answer which will threat to degree her or his reputation unless to be the very fact at issued or to be the fact from which the fact is issued would be pursued, but a witness must answer the fact of his or her privilege from the conviction of a offense. Section 4 is order in the examination of the individual witness. The order of which a individual witness may be examined in the following: direct examined by the proponent. B is cross-examined by the opponent. C is redirect examined by proponent. Next is the cross-examined opponent. Section 5 is direct examine. Direct examine is the examination of in chief of a witness by the party presenting him or her the fact related to the issue. Section 6 is cross-examine. Its purpose and extent. Upon the termination of the direct examine, the witness may be cross-examined by the adverse party on any relative matters with sufficient fullness and freedom to test her accuracy and trust, trustfulness, and freedom from the intent of or bias or the waste of the of and to take all important facts written upon the issue. Section 7 is redirect examination. After the cross-examination of a witness has been concluded, he or she may re-examined by the party calling him or her to explain or supplement his or her answer given during the cross-examination. Section 8 is re-cross-examination. Upon the conclusion of redirect examination, the first party must re-cross the witness on matters state under his or her direct examination, and also such other matters may be allowed to the court in the Section 9 is recall witness. After the examination of the witness, both sides has been concluded that the witness cannot be recalled without leaving the court. The court will grant or withhold leave on its discretion. Intent of the justice may require. 10 is leading and misleading question which suggests to be witness answered with the examining party reserved for the leading question is not allowed except cross-examination primary matters when its difficulties to judge the direct or and their ability answer for the witness who are ignorant and child of the tender years or feeble mind or deaf and mute. Unlawful or hostile question. Section 11 is impeachment of the best part of the party witness. A witness may be impeached by the party against whom or he called by the contradictory evidence. Evidence has been his or her general reputation, truly or honest, integrity in the bad, and by the evidence or she made other times state in executed with this or present testimony, but not the evidence party unlawful act, except that it may be showed by the examination of the witness of the record justice he or she has been convicted of a offense. Section 12 is impeachment of the evidence convicted of a crime for the purpose of impeachment of the witness. Witness evidence that he or she have been convicted for the final judgment of a crime shall be admitted if the crime was punishable by penalty in excess of 1 year, crime involved immoral protect or regardless of the penalty. Section 13 is party is not impeached as her own witness, except with respect to the witness reference for the paragraph E, D, and E in section 10. Section 14, the witness impeachment is the evidence of inconsistent statement. Before a witness can be impeached by the evidence that he or she has been has he or she made other times statement inconsistent with the he or she present testimony. The statement must be related to her. That is conclusion. Circumstances of the time, place, and the person presented. Section 14 with evidence of the good conduct witness. Section 15 is exclusion of the separation of a witness. The court, matter prior or upon the motion, shall be ordered witness excluded from the cannot be heard in the testimony of other witness. Section 16, when witness may refers to mandatory A is when a witness may be allowed to refresh his or her memory representing fact by anything written or recorded by himself under or her direct to the time when the fact occurred or immediately thereof or any other time when the fact was refreshed in his memory. He shall know that the same was currently written or record, but in such a case the writing of record must be produced, may be in fact for the adverse party, who may, if he or she choose to cross-examine the witness upon, may be read the evidence. Section 17 is when part of the transaction written record given by the evidence that remains admissible when the part of a act, declaration, conversation, written or record is given in the evidence, and the one party who of the same subject may be required into the other, and when a Dutch act, declaration, conversation, written or record given in evidence, and other declaration, conversation, written necessary to its understand may also be given in evidence. Section 18, rights to inspect written show to witness. Whenever witness is showed to a witness, it may be inspected by the advance party. Section 19, class of documents. From the purpose of presentation in evidence, documents, either private or public, Section 20 is the proof of private documents. Before any private documents offered as 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 authentic, and receipt of document is due execution of authenticity must be proved by any other the following, and by anyone who saw the document exist on or written, the evidence of the genuineness of the signature or handwriting maker. Other evidence shows due execution or authentic. Section 21. Section 21, when the witness of authentic when the private document not necessary. When a private document more than 30 years old is product for the custody, which it could naturally found and genuine. Section 22, how genuine written handwriting handwriting of the person may be proved by the witness who believe that to be the handwriting of such a person because or her or see the right person right. Section 23, public document of evidence. Document consisting a entire public record may be performed by the duty of a public officer to prima facie evidence of a fact therein state. All other public document of evidence, even against the third person of a fact which given rise to their execution of the date of the letter. Section 24 is public proof of official record. Public documents refers to in paragraph section 19 when admissible for a purpose may be evidenced by a official publication thereof or by copy unless by the offer have been legal custody of the record. Section 25, when the attention of a copy must be stayed, when the copy of the document or the record attend of the purpose of evidence, the attention must be stayed in substance of the copy in a correct copy of the original. Section 6 is in removability of a public record. Any public record or official copy of which is admissible of evidence must be not removed from the office of which it kept, except upon order of the court when the inspection of the record establishes just determination of a proceeding case. Section 27, public record and private document. Authorized public record of a private document may provide by the original document, by the copy thereof, attends by the legal custody of the record with a proper certificate that which offer has been custody. 26. Proof of lack of record. Witness states signed by the officer have the custody of the official record by his or duty that after the diligent search no record or entry of a specific tenor or is found exists of the record. Section 29 is how judicial record impeachment. Any judicial record may be impeached by evidence. Judicial is the what of judicial jurisdiction in the court or judicial of collection between the parties, fraud and the party of fraud of the record. In respect of preceding Section 30, the proof of national document. Every instrument like to acknowledged or proof the certificate as provided by the law may be presented in the evidence without further proof. The certificate of acknowledgement being primary face evidence of the execution of the instrument or document involved. 31. Alternation of the documents. 2. How to explain parties proceeding the documents as genuine which has been altered and afterward have been altered after its execution. In a party, materials to the question in dispute must account from the alteration. He or she may show that the alteration has been made by other without his or her concurrent, or was made by the consent of the party offered by it. Section 31. Seal. Shall be no difference between sealed and undersealed private document insofar the admissibility of evidence is concerned. Document 33. Document evidence of an official language document in a written and official document shall not be admissible as evidence unless concurrently with a translator in English or Filipino. Section 34. The court offer of evidence. The court shall consider no evidence such have to been formally offered, purpose of which evidence offer must be specified. 35 is when to make offer, all evidence must be offered oral. 6 is obligation of are to offer an evidence must be made orally immediately after the offer is made. 37. When the repetition of objection is unnecessary, when it comes to reasonable application with the course of examination of a witness that the question being purpose of the same class. 38. Rule 38. The rule of the court must be given immediately after the object is made, unless the court is for the reasonable time to inform itself on the question presentation. 39. Striking out of answer, shall witness answer the question before the adverse party has been opportunity to voice fully its object to the same. 40 is standard of exclude evidence if document or thing offered the evidence exclude for the court. Rule 131, Section 1, dependence of the evidence has who determined in civil case the party having the burden of proof must establish her or his case by a preponderance of evidence in determining where the where the where the where the where the where the preponderance or the superior weight of the evidence on the issue involves lie in the court may consider all the fact and circumstances of the case, the witness manner of testifying, the intelligence, their means or and opportunities of knowing the fact that which may be testifying, the nature of the fact to which the testify the probability or improbability of their testimonial, their intent of want of upon of want of instant and also their personal credibilities so far as the same my illegitimate appear. Section 2. Proof beyond the proof the proof beyond the reasonable doubt. In a criminal case, accused is entitled to to acquit unless they are guilty is shown beyond reasonable doubt. Proof burden reasonable doubt does not mean such a degree as of proof exclude possi- po- possibility of error, produce absolute certain. Section 3 is extrajudicial confession is not sufficient ground of conviction. Extrajudicial confession made by the accused shall not be sufficient ground of the conviction unless corroborated by the evidence or cooperatively. Section 4 a circumstantial evidence when sufficient. Circumstantial sufficient is suffered sufficient of the conviction if if there are more than one circumstances the fact from which the influence device or are proven. The combination of all circumstances is which is produced to conviction beyond the reasonable doubt. Section 5 is weight to be given opinion of expert witness in any case where the opinion of expert witness is exit of the evidence, the court has a wide latitude of discretion to determine the weight to be given such an opinion. Whether the opinion is based upon sufficient of the fact or data, whether it's the product of reasonable particles method, whether the witness appeared of the principal method reasonable in the fact of the case. Section 6 is state of the evidence. The case filed before the administrative or quasi judicial bodies and a fact may be on the established of its supported by substance evidence or amount of relative evidence which reasonable might accept the equivalent of the certified confession. Section Section 7 is the power of the court to stop further evidence. Court may stop the introduction of the further testimonial upon any particular point when the evidence upon in other so full that more witness to the same point cannot be reasonable. Section 8 is evidence in a motion when the motion is based on the fact not appearing off record. The court may hear the matter of affidavit or disputation present the by the representative party. By the court may direct that the matter be heard only or party on oral testimony or disposition.